such a pretty village. It is literally worst room ever. Good morning, welcome to another vlog of What's Up Ravina, and today we are going to a very fun destination. I don't know if you can see on the screen, but it's a surprise. Watch till the end to know the destination. We are in the flight and the leg room in Swiss Air. It's so good. And the seats itself are very comfortable. 10 out of 10 to Swiss Air. They gave us water, they gave us Swiss chocolates. I mean, the service was commendable. We have just landed in Zurich and waiting for our tram. This was our flight. Hi, this is Vera, the best ever. And she makes Indian food. Tell me what you make.
I make masala, chicken curry.
And samosa.
And samosas.
Yay! The financial capital of the world, and the airport is so lush. We have taken a train from Zurich airport station, which will take us to Zurich HB, which is this one, and this is the main station of Zurich, and from here we will take a train to Lucerne, and for all of this travel our Swiss pass will work. The trains are so beautiful. Look at this. If you take a Swiss pass, then you can access all the trains in Switzerland, including the panoramic trains, the famous trains of Switzerland, and the boat trips. Train was at 12:10. We reached exactly at 12:10 and train left. It's okay, we'll catch the next one, which is in 20 minutes. So I have an app, SBB something, I'll link it below. I checked there that train to Lucerne will come at 12:35 at platform number 8. And Himanshu has gone to grab some coffee. We left home at 5 a.m. So right now we are both hungry. We have got sandwiches which we got packed from the airport, and we'll get coffee. So we'll have a nice brunch in the train. White car. Oh, bike. Yay. Now kiss mama. I love you. I love you.
Thank you.
Hi from Lucerne. So basically we have reached Lucerne now and walking towards the hotel, which is 10 minutes away. So we have booked Ibis Budget in Lucerne, and this is our hotel in the background. रूम नंबर है 157, लास्ट में है क्या? This is our room. Aisha, give me the keys. Put the keys here. Well done. It's on now. Let's go. Pick up the keys. बिल्कुल ही बेसिक रूम है. आजा बेबी अंदर. Room was very small as expected. I paid more than £100 for this room, and it is literally worst room ever. But that's fine. We are going out to explore Stenson Horn. Let's go. We quickly grabbed some food on the go from Migros, which is a grocery store in Switzerland. From Zurich we have travelled to Lucerne, and from Lucerne we are right now going to Stensenhorn. So basically we have boarded the train to Stensenhorn from Lucerne.
We'll go to Stans only. From Stans, we take the cogwheel and the gondola
Okay.
up to the mountain.
Okay. So we go to Stans village and from there
Yeah.
Yes, baby. It's raining little bit, but weather is very pleasant otherwise, not at all cold. Yaar, such a pretty village. We are walking towards the cogwheel now. From cogwheel we will go to the cable car, which will take us to Stensenhorn. Excited! Maybe यही है train शायद. Excuse me, can we enter this way?
3 minutes.
Okay. Fast. 3 minutes we have. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you. So this is the cogwheel. We sit here or we sit inside? We sit inside. This is pretty. Acha. We are sitting in the cogwheel of Stensenhorn and it is looking so pretty. It's like a wooden train. And you can see it's an open train.
We go up the hill now.
It will go up the hill.
Yeah.
Oh my god, Asher, I'm so scared. It's going the other way.
So how can we go this way? Asher, where are you going?
Up. Go. Up. And we have reached halfway, and from here we will take the cable car which will take us to the top. This cable car is open roof, basically open cable car to Stensenhorn. We will keep the pram here and then we go to the top.
That's going to be a very steep.
Are you scared?
No. Let's see.
The last descent is at 5:50.
Ah,
The last one.
okay.
Then every 7
Okay.
So when you are on top of the mountain, the exit is here on the left hand side. So there is no need to walk down the stairs.
Oh,
Except
okay.
the stroller is down there.
Yeah.
Those who want to exit up here, you can exit here on the left side.
Or we can exit from downstairs. Okay.
Okay?
Thank you.
Then enjoy.
It's beautiful. The first thing you see when you get out of the cable car is this revolving restaurant, which takes 45 minutes to revolve around to cover the views. But since the weather was little blurry today, we didn't go in the restaurant and instead decided to walk till the top of the mountain. We are going on top of Stenson Horn. It's a 10-minute trek, and you can see how up we are already. Vision is slightly blurry, but it's okay. We had a good view while coming up anyway.
It's raining little bit, but it's not that cold.
What are you eating, Asha?
He is eating pancakes. I am eating this couscous salad, which we got from Migo.
Full clouds up here, no? Started raining as well.
Good thing is it's a weekday and literally no one up here except for me, Himanshu and Asher, as you can see. And it was cloudy before, but now it's getting clearer. I'm not sure if camera can capture this beauty, but I'm trying. I am standing here at the top and making this video for you guys. Acha, okay. And that's Mount Pilatus.
Yeah, this one is.
This one is.
This one.
This is Mount Pilatus, and
Somewhere here should be Ricky. I think this shorter one.
it's May end and it's not very cold, but we still need our jackets, and I will suggest get your gloves and cap as well. Next mountain we will definitely get our gloves. Top of Stenson Horn, and literally no one is here, just us and the views. Luckily the clouds are getting scattered and we are able to see at least one side of the mountains. The other side, as you can see, is still blurry, but that's fine, we can still enjoy the view. It's so peaceful, isn't it, Himanshu?
Yeah.
So beautiful and so peaceful. Literally no one is here.
Asha, you are enjoying the chocolate? Chocolate? It's finished.
I hope you enjoyed our first day in Switzerland. It was an amazing day out in Stenson Horn, and it was super long as well. So I would like to end this day here, this vlog here. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to continue watching our Switzerland journey. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, enjoy.